Have you ever felt stressed and anxious because of your family's tight budget? If so, you're not alone. Many stay-at-home moms face this challenge. A tight family budget can have a negative impact on a stay-at-home mom's happiness. She may worry about the family's needs, such as childcare costs, healthcare costs, or daily living expenses. This can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. The happiness of a stay-at-home mom is important for the family. A happy stay-at-home mom will be better able to take care of her family. Therefore, it is important to maintain the happiness of a stay-at-home mom, even if her finances are tight. A tight family budget is a common challenge faced by stay-at-home moms. It can be caused by various factors, such as low income, economic instability, or debt. A tight family budget can have a negative impact on the happiness of a stay-at-home mom. She may worry about the family's needs, such as childcare costs, healthcare costs, or daily living expenses. This can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. The happiness of a stay-at-home mom is important for the family. A happy stay-at-home mom will be better able to take care of her family. Therefore, it is important to maintain the happiness of a stay-at-home mom, even if her finances are tight. Let's change the stigma that stay-at-home mothers can only take care of the house and children. Stay-at-home mothers can also be creative and generate income. I will share tips for stay-at-home mothers who want to increase their income. Watch this video until the end, okay? As we know, stay-at-home moms are often the backbone of the family. They are responsible for all household chores, from taking care of children, cooking, cleaning, to managing the family finances. However, sometimes the economic situation can be a burden for stay-at-home moms. This can have a negative impact on their happiness, such as feeling stressed, anxious, and sad. Here are some tips that can help stay-at-home moms maintain their happiness, even if their finances are tight. 1. Open and honest communication with your partner. One of the tips that can help stay-at-home moms maintain their happiness is open and honest communication with their partner. Open and honest communication can help reduce stress and anxiety. Stay-at-home moms can share their feelings and thoughts with their partners. By sharing their feelings and thoughts with their partners, stay-at-home moms will feel more relieved and free. They will feel more supported and loved by their partners. Open and honest communication can also strengthen the relationship between spouses. When couples understand and support each other, their relationship will become stronger. So, great stay-at-home moms, don't hesitate to share your feelings and thoughts with your partner. Good communication is the key to keeping the family happy. 2. Socializing. As a stay-at-home mom, you often spend time at home taking care of your family. This can make you feel lonely and isolated. To overcome this, it is important to maintain social connections with friends and family. Having people you can talk to and share your experiences with can help you feel more supported and loved. Don't let loneliness and isolation control you. Find time to spend with friends and family. They will always be there for you. You are not alone. There are many other stay-at-home moms who feel the same way. By sharing with each other, you will feel stronger and happier. Be yourself and don't be afraid to show your true self. People who truly love you will accept you for who you are. Social connections are one of the most important things in life. With supportive people in your corner, you will be better able to face the challenges ahead. Don't be afraid to ask for help from friends and family. They will be happy to help you through tough times. Life is about sharing. By sharing your happiness, you will make others happy too. Maintaining social connections is important for the happiness of stay-at-home moms. With supportive people in your corner, you will feel stronger and more capable of facing challenges. 3. Engaging in fun activities. As a stay-at-home mom, you are often busy with household chores. This can lead to stress and fatigue. To overcome this, it is important to make time for fun activities. Don't let stress and fatigue take over. Make time for fun activities. You deserve to be happy. Your body and mind need time to rest and have fun. Do activities you enjoy and let yourself enjoy them. Fun activities can help you release stress and improve your mood, so don't hesitate to make time for yourself. Life is about balance. You can't just work hard without any time to have fun. Make time for activities you enjoy. You will be a happier and more productive stay-at-home mom. Fun activities can help you find your identity and passion. When you do things you enjoy, you will feel happier and more fulfilled in your life. Don't be afraid to try new things. You might find an activity you love. That way, you will have more things to enjoy in life. Engaging in fun activities is important for the happiness of stay-at-home moms. By making time for things you enjoy, you will feel more relaxed, happy, and productive. How to increase your income as a stay-at-home mom. Being a stay-at-home mom is a noble job that requires a lot of time and effort. However, many stay-at-home moms want to increase their income to help their husbands or to meet the needs of their families. There are many ways to increase your income as a stay-at-home mom, both online and offline. 1. Start a side hustle. One way to increase your income as a stay-at-home mom is to start a side hustle. There are many types of side hustles that stay-at-home moms can do, such as selling food. If you have cooking skills, you can start a side hustle by selling food. You can sell food online or offline. If you want to sell food online, you can use social media platforms or marketplaces, starting a catering service. If you have cooking and event planning skills, you can start a catering service. Catering can be a promising side hustle, especially if you have a large network. Making handmade crafts. If you have handmade craft skills, you can start a side hustle by selling handmade crafts. You can sell handmade crafts online or offline, becoming a reseller. Becoming a reseller is an easy way to start a side hustle. You can become a reseller of any product, from clothing to cosmetics to food. You can find suppliers that offer reseller programs. Becoming a dropshipper. Becoming a dropshipper is the easiest way to start a side hustle. You don't need to stock any inventory because you only need to sell products from suppliers. Tips for starting a side hustle. Choose a type of business that is in line with your interests and skills. If you don't like something, you won't be able to do it well. Do your research first. Make sure you understand how the business works before you start it. Start with a small budget. You can start a side hustle with a small budget, such as becoming a dropshipper or reseller. Promote your business. You need to promote your business so that it can be known by many people. You can use social media or marketplaces to promote your business. There are many success stories of stay-at-home moms who have successfully increased their income by starting a side hustle. One of these success stories is the story of a stay-at-home mom who successfully sold brownies online. The stay-at-home mom started her business with a small budget, but now her business has grown rapidly and generates a significant amount of revenue. For those of you who want to increase your income as a stay-at-home mom, don't be afraid to start a side hustle. With determination and hard work, you will surely be successful. Here are some additional tips to help you increase your income as a stay-at-home mom. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to make a fortune overnight. Set realistic goals that you can achieve with your time and resources. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful side hustle. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Don't give up. Keep working hard and eventually you will achieve your goals. 2. Becoming a freelancer. Creating for your family's future. One way you can do to increase your income is by becoming a freelancer. A freelancer is a self-employed worker who offers their services to clients online. There are many types of freelance work you can do, from writing, graphic design, programming, to translation. Turning a hobby into income. If you have a hobby or interest in a field, you can turn it into a freelance job. For example, if you like writing, you can become an article writer, copywriter, or ghostwriter. If you like graphic design, you can become a logo designer, web designer, or product designer. Benefits of becoming a freelancer. Becoming a freelancer has many benefits, including you can work from home so you can still take care of your family and do household chores. You can determine your own working hours so you can adjust them to the needs of your family. You can earn additional income to help your husband or meet the needs of your family. Tips for becoming a freelancer. To become a successful freelancer, there are some tips you can follow, including choose a field you are good at. You will find it easier to do the job if you are good at that field. Build a portfolio. A portfolio is proof of your skills and experience. Join a freelancer community. A freelancer community can be a place for you to find clients and learn from the experiences of others. Keep learning and creating. The digital world is constantly evolving, so you must always learn new things to be able to compete with other freelancers. There are many real stories of housewives who have successfully become freelancers For example, a housewife who became a freelance writer has successfully generated millions of rupiah from writing articles and books. A housewife who became a graphic designer has managed to get clients from abroad. 3. Becoming a content creator. Becoming a content creator is one of the interesting and promising ways to increase income as a housewife. By becoming a content creator, you can channel your hobbies and talents and at the same time earn an income from your hard work. Tips for becoming a successful content creator. Find a topic that you like and are good at. A topic that you like will make you more excited to create content. A topic that you are good at will make your content more valuable. Create engaging and informative content. Engaging content will make people want to follow you. Informative content will make people feel helped. Be consistent in creating content. The more consistent you are in creating content, the more people will know you. Promote your content. Do not be shy to promote your content on social media. If you have a talent for creating content, do not hesitate to try to become a content creator. With determination and hard work, you can become a successful content creator and generate promising income. 4. Reselling is one of the most popular ways to earn extra income as a stay-at-home mom. It is relatively easy and does not require a large capital. Tips for becoming a successful reseller. Choose the right product. Choose a product that is aligned with your interests and skills. You can also choose products that are trending or in high demand. Find a reliable supplier. Make sure the supplier you choose has high-quality products and competitive prices. Build a network. Network with other resellers or influencers to promote your products. Do effective promotion. Use social media and other online platforms to promote your products. If you are interested in becoming a reseller, do not hesitate to start. You can start with a small capital and grow it over time. With determination and hard work, you will surely be a successful reseller. 5. Dropshipper. Business without capital, work without limits. Dropshipper is one of the most popular side businesses for housewives. This business offers ease and great advantages, namely small capital. You don't need to stock goods, so you don't need to spend a lot of capital to start this business. Great potential for profit. You can get a profit from the difference between selling price and supplier purchase price. Flexible time, you can run this business anytime and anywhere, according to your free time. Tips for success as a dropshipper. Choose the right product. Choose products that are in line with market interests and needs. Conduct market research. Learn the price, quality, and trends of the products you want to sell. Provide the best service. Good service will make your customers satisfied and come back again. Housewives are strong and hardworking women. They not only take care of their households and families, but also want to work and earn extra income. Dropshipper business is one way that you can take to achieve it. With determination and hard work, you can become a successful dropshipper and earn promising income. So don't hesitate to start this business. Work for the future of your family. Learn more about the dropshipper business. Start your business today. 6. Investment is another way to increase your income as a stay-at-home mom. With investment, you can earn additional income from the appreciation of the assets you invest in. Types of investments suitable for stay-at-home moms? Some types of investments that are suitable for stay-at-home moms are mutual funds, because they have relatively low risk and are affordable. Stocks, if you have sufficient knowledge and insights about the stock market. Gold, if you want to invest in a safe investment that can protect your wealth from inflation. Tips for starting an investment. Here are some tips for starting an investment. Prepare enough funds. You must prepare enough funds to invest. Do not force yourself to invest with a large amount if you do not have enough funds. Choose the type of investment that suits your risk profile. If you are a conservative person, you can choose an investment with low risk, such as money market funds or fixed income funds. If you are an aggressive person, you can choose an investment with high risk, such as stocks or equity mutual funds. Do thorough research. Before investing, make sure you understand how the investment works. You can read books, articles, or take an investment course. Start small. You don't need to invest a large amount. You can start with a small amount and increase it over time. Benefits of investment has many, including increase income, increase the value of wealth. Prepare for the future. Protect the value of wealth from inflation. Investment is a great way to increase your income and prepare for your future and your family. With investment, you can realize your dreams, such as buying a house, educating your children, or retiring peacefully. Do not be afraid to invest. With determination and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. Tips for success in increasing income as a stay-at-home mom. Choose a way to increase income that is suitable for your interests and skills. If you don't like something, you won't be able to do it well. Do your research before starting a side business or investment. Make sure you understand how the business or investment works before you start it. Set clear financial goals and make a plan to achieve those goals. Having clear goals will motivate you to work hard. Be disciplined in managing your time and finances. You need to be able to divide your time between household chores, family, and side businesses. You also need to be able to manage your finances wisely. Do not be afraid to fail. Everyone has failed at some point. The important thing is that you learn from your mistakes and keep trying. Those are some ways to increase your income as a stay-at-home mom. I hope the tips above are helpful for you. Remember, moms, work for the future of your family. With determination and hard work, you will surely achieve your goals. Dear amazing stay-at-home moms, never give up on your happiness. You are strong and resilient. You can overcome any challenge. Remember, you are not alone. There are many other stay-at-home moms who are also facing financial difficulties. However, they are still able to maintain their happiness. So don't hesitate to ask for help from your partner, friends, family, or professionals if you need it. I hope this content is useful for you. I will also make a detailed video on how to become a content creator, invest without capital, or become a TikTok affiliate in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with other information. Thank you for watching.